Hi folks, I'm making or attempting to make fajitas in a pie iron. And they're ready. I've got a bunch of onions and some chicken fajita meat. Okay, so I've cooked them in here. The chicken meat's already done, so you get it at the grocery store. It's already seasoned. And see, I'm putting a keto-friendly tortilla down, and I'm going to make a couple of these. Lots of onions. I'm here by myself, and that's okay. And I've got a little bit of sliced cheese. Put this down on top of there. Clamp it down. I bought one of those tools to do that, but I don't know what became of it. Oh, this one is this pie iron is brand new. I've got two of them. Two. Oh, this is a Rome. The other one I've got is just like identical, but it's in Texas. And I decided, I want one on my truck. So I'm on my way to Silver Dollar City. I stopped in Tennessee at Floating Mill Campground. It's a Corps of Engineers place, which means I can use my senior pass and get the campsite for half price, which means it's $12. But to come into the park, you have to pay a $3 fee. I don't understand that. Could I park my campsite and not be here so that I just have to pay for the campsite? It's silly. But anyway, it's a very nice park. I like it here. I've stayed here 2 or 3 times. Now, I don't know if this is going to stick together like it would if I were using bread, that sort of thing. I can go ahead and make this one. Now that I'm thinking of it, I can put it all together so it's ready to stick in there. I cook the onions first. With lots of butter. But like I said, I just got this, so I've been seasoning it. I cooked butter in it 3 or 4 times until it got good and brown. And then my little pie iron started getting black on the inside, and I figured it's close enough. I'll just start using it. That's the best way to mess with cast iron. And the best way to season cast iron is to use it. You want to cook a little bit of oil in it first to don't just because you don't want to start out with bare metal. But whatever your favorite cooking oil is, just put some of that in there. Get it good and hot. Wipe it out. Get it good and hot again. Put more on. Get it good and hot. Wipe it out. Then you start getting it hot without putting more. After it's been wiped out, it'll turn black. And then you're close enough. You're close enough to start cooking. Oh, that smells starting to smell. It's, I'd show you, but I don't want to interrupt the cooking. But it's starting to toast the tortilla just a little bit. And it should be pretty good. I forget what brand it is, but you can get beef or chicken. And I had beef yesterday, so I'm having chicken tonight. Um, it's pre-seasoned, pre-cooked fajita. It's already cut up. You could nuke it if you wanted to, and it'd be good to go. But I prefer frying it just a little bit, not a whole lot, just enough to get it hot. I think it works. I don't have a microwave. My microwave quit, and I thought, I'm done with it. I don't need a microwave, and I don't. I've been without a microwave for a year now. Let me turn this over. Let's look at it. Oh, see that? See that? It's looking good. And I set the handle on my bag of pellets. I got these pellets here. It was a, I think it's a 20-pound bag. I don't know. Yeah, 20-pound bag for $6 and change at Walmart. Most of them were $14, but this one was $6. And I don't care about all the fancy flavors because I'm just burning. This is a Solo Stove Mesa XL, and I've got a cooking ring on it. The cooking ring comes from one of their other stoves, a Campfire or something. I don't remember the name of it. This is a nice sized stove for one person. Two people couldn't cook on it. Not like this anyway. But it's a good stove. And this was already, like I said, I've been seasoning it, so it's preheated. The other, I've got one that's more square, more angular. I picked it up at Walmart, and I tried it. It works okay. I prefer the Rome though because they're deep all the way around. The one from Walmart, it's kind of shaped like that, and I think this one, neither one of them seal. They don't seal at all. But this one here seems to hold the stuff in just a little bit better. But anyway, I'm thinking this one might be done. I think that's about right. Drop that out. I'll put the next one in, and then we'll see how this one tastes. So I think it's going to be good. Should be good. I put good stuff in it. That'll just burn. It's not going to be good to eat. Okay, now. This has got some little crunchies around the edge. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh. Needs hot sauce. I go to Walmart a lot. This is Lola's Fine Hot Sauce, all natural, original. Walmart, you can get they got all sorts of different kinds of hot sauces in a little display in one of these kind of middle of the aisle things where they're trying to get you to buy stuff. $1 a piece, which to try a hot sauce, that's a great way of finding out if you like it. Whoops.